Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting the exact range you want to count. First, clean obvious issues. Remove empty rows or convert text digits with value so Excel treats them as numbers. Next, decide which function suits your aim. Count for numeric cells, countif for non-blank items, countif for one condition, and countifs for multiple conditions. Once selected, type the formula into the formula bar and include the range. This immediate step starts the calculation and avoids later rework. You now construct conditional counts. For a single rule, type countif range, criteria, and use quotes for text or operators like 100. Once done, expand to countifs for multiple simultaneous conditions by pairing each range with its criterion. Make sure ranges are the same size and aligned. Mismatched ranges return errors. Also, use wildcards for partial matches and concatenate cell references with operators when criteria depend on other cells, so your formula stays dynamic and reusable. You finish by validating the counts. Cross-check with filter, unique, or a pivot table to confirm totals match expectations. If numbers seem off, inspect types with isNumber and remove extra spaces with trim. Convert stray text numbers using value. Make sure all ranges in countifs are identical size and use absolute references, $1.02, $1.100, when copying formulas. One troubleshooting tip. If hash value or wrong totals appear, verify range alignment first. Most errors come from mismatched ranges or hidden text characters.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.